The Tripura Women's Federation organized a social welfare and empowerment program on Sunday at the Nakhshirai Community Hall under Mandai pulinpur TTAADC Constituency. The initiatives aim to provide both winter relief and livelihood support to the local indigenous women. During the event, the organization distributed blankets to help residents brave the winter chill, alongside yarn to encourage self-reliance through traditional weaving. The program was attended by Manihar Debarma, President of TWF, Kajali Rupini, Vice President of TWF, Gaurav Debarma, Block President, Pratima Debarma, TWF Block President. While addressing the gathering, TWF President Manihar Debarma leveled serious allegations against the state government regarding the administration of the TTAADC.
Chini 27 Kalyanpur Brahmanagar Vidhan Sabha Nibising Khorang Arespara BC Arespara means Rajani Sardar Para Village Committee Nibising Khorang or Nakhshirai Community Hall Ajaga Arisho Donano Kutung Batak Night Tai Pochi Donano Jara Kuri Pai Sumaya Borno Rikutung Yakaba Blanket Batak Ani Logio Tongo Ani TWF Central Committee Vice President Khorang Ganajut Kajol Rupini Ani Logio Tongo Tipra Mota 27 Kalyanpur Promotional Block President Chini Takun Gaurav Debarma Chini Sulla Mandai pulinpur TWF ni Vice President Chini Bukuk Pratima Debarma Tai Oro Chini Bukuk Jong Joto Bisini Aras para Bisini Bukuk Jong Jeng Jot Tonono Jeb Hainai Jeng Borok Nokrok Sekoro yang Hai Kutung Tai Ekdom Nuk Nuguri Pai Sumanja Okasangan Jarawa Borok Nokrok Blanket Baca Apni bagai Chini Obakmu Bubagrani Kaisa Hamzak Mani Mari Khairok Mani Mari Obo Bubagrani Bisinte Kelai Rokonjak Mani Apni bagai Chini Bubagrano Beleki Hambai Tekulma Boyaparo Oba Haikeno Padi Khadani Takute Song Sung Protect Bisio Chini Edisio Bisisa Hando Jangman Bisintui Aino Sung Joto Sombo Chini Edisi Hapang Rock, Chini Khorang CM Tidul Mabai, Chini Protect Junalo Rojago, Junal Hote, Sabjunalo Patoko, Sabjunal Hote, Village Committee Patok Manitono, Sentini Oro, Chini O Ares para Bisini Andaro Toronto Bukutong Tongai Rock no Koboksa, Jeb Hane Rock, Zengoro Kono Patikalat Naya, Jerry Kanabro Kanai Rock, Riganai Taknai Rock, Jeb Kuteng Manna Musungai Aguroti. Borok na jeng jo tono krok sa koraya kan jeng oro pati kalar saya Tipra jeng jo tono no sendina karon Chini bubak data put hansa ni mari ni wo jeng jo to takut te bukuk so haina ni nango ojarawo Chini je mansak je suksa jeng ni ta jeng sai.
The local residents expressed their gratitude for the initiative, noting that the distribution of yarn is particularly helpful for weavers who have been struggling with rising material costs. Reported by Biplov from Khoi, Chini Khorang.